Did you know the pet grooming industry is growing fast, with millions of pet owners spending big to keep their furry friends looking and feeling their best? If you love animals and want a career that's fun and profitable, this guide is for you. You'll learn how to get trained, start your business, attract clients, and stay competitive. Whether you're dreaming of a home salon, a mobile setup, or a full grooming studio, you can turn your passion into a real business. Dogs are the most common clients. They're usually easier to handle, and it's simpler to build a steady base of regulars when you focus on them. But if you want to stand out, you can explore niches. Cat grooming, exotic pets, luxury spa services, or breed-specific styling can be more profitable. The trade-off is that these services can be harder to market, so you'll need a solid plan. Before you jump in, do your homework. Check out other groomers in your area. What do they offer? Where is the gap you could fill? Decide exactly which services you'll provide. Baths and haircuts are standard. Add-ons like nail trims, ear cleaning, de-shedding, or specialty styling can boost your income. Once you're clear on your services, buy only the equipment you truly need. Training is not optional. Working with animals requires skill and confidence. You need to know how to handle pets safely, understand their behavior, and spot signs of stress or discomfort. Check your local requirements for licenses, permits, and certifications. Even if regulations are minimal, formal training shows clients you take your work seriously. The more you learn, the more services you can offer. Advanced skills can lead to higher prices and better results for both pets and owners. Before taking your first client, set up your business legally. Choose the right structure, register your business name, and secure any required permits. Insurance is essential. Liability coverage protects you if a pet gets injured or something goes wrong. Some policies also cover equipment damage or accidents at your location. This protection can save you from major financial stress. A smooth booking system can make or break your business. Staying organized keeps your days calm and professional. It reduces last-minute confusion and helps you manage your time. Tools like IKOL can act as a digital assistant. You can set up a professional website in no time, where clients can book online, receive reminders, and pay digitally. This saves you time and makes the experience easier for them. The easier it is to book, the more likely they are to come back. Marketing is about visibility and trust. Social media is powerful. Post before and after photos, share pet care tips, and highlight happy client reviews. Local marketing matters too. Offer referral rewards to happy customers. Partner with pet stores, vets, and pet-friendly businesses. Attend community events to meet pet owners face-to-face. Stay consistent, post regularly, reply to messages quickly. Keep your online presence clean and professional. Over time, this builds a strong reputation that brings in steady business. The pet grooming world keeps evolving. Mobile services, luxury pet spas, eco-friendly products, and breed-specific styling are gaining popularity. Offering something unique can set you apart. Keep learning, follow industry blogs, join groups, attend workshops, and visit trade shows. You'll discover new techniques, tools, and ideas. Staying current is not just about style. New products and methods often make grooming safer and more comfortable for pets. Starting a pet grooming business can be exciting and rewarding, but it takes planning, training, and commitment. Great grooming skills matter, but so do smooth booking, smart marketing, and strong customer relationships. With the right preparation and mindset, you can build a thriving business doing what you love. Start planning, keep improving, and enjoy building a career centered around caring for pets. IKOL, AI for Business.